a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights, convertible, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, brake assist. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.